Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can set a song as a ringtone on Android. So to start, you will need to launch the General Settings app or just a Settings app. Here, look for a sound and vibration or just sound category and open it. From here, look for a phone ringtone or ringtone song or some setting that will resemble that. Then open the selection. Somewhere you should be able to choose the upload from local storage or add a song button, which you'll need to press. Now select the song from your storage here. Once the song is selected, simply press OK, then OK once again, and as you can see, the device's ringtone has been changed successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.